Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope that all you are doing great in life. If you liked my videos or you got some help with it, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get timely notification. Today I would like to introduce how to use future indefinite tense. So we have few examples to explain it. One नहाएगा, he will take bath. संजय गाना सुनाएगा, संजय will sing a song. बच्चे आइसक्रीम खाएंगे, children will eat ice cream. Today we are learning how we can change a simple sentence into three types of sentences. First, affirmative sentence. Second, negative sentence. Third, interrogative sentence. First, affirmative sentence. A simple sentence is called affirmative sentence. Second, negative sentence. Their structure will be subject plus will shall plus not plus verb first form. बच्चे आइसक्रीम नहीं खाएंगे. Children will not eat ice cream. अजय कमरा साफ नहीं करेगा. अजय will not clean the room. मोना बर्तन नहीं धोएगी. मोना will not wash utensil. Third, interrogative sentence. Will shall plus subject plus verb first form. क्या अजय आइसक्रीम नहीं खाएगा? Will अजय not eat ice cream? क्या मोना बर्तन धोएगी? Will मोना wash utensil? क्या बच्चे पतंग उड़ाएंगे? Will children fly kite? In order to learn English, you must be confident and you must speak English on a daily basis. When your heart desires something strongly, then the whole universe conspires it, introduce it to you. इसका मतलब जब आपका दिल किसी चीज़ को पूरी शिद्दत से चाहने लगता है या उसे करने की कोशिश करता है तो पूरी कायनात उसे आपसे मिलाने की साजिश करती है. Thank you guys for watching my video. Keep learning, keep practicing. You are most welcome on my YouTube channel. God bless you. Thank you friends.